Hello everyone, welcome to SPJK Technosoft, your one-stop online education and training platform. We are organizing Big Data and Hadoop free webinar on the 29th of October 2020, Thursday at 7 p.m. The expert speaker is Mr. Yash, who is having more than 20 years of experience in IT industry. There is no registration fee for this webinar. Following topics will be covered in this free webinar. What is Big Data? Why need Big Data? What is Hadoop? What are the components available in Hadoop? Career opportunities as a Big Data Analyst. Job-oriented course on Big Data and Hadoop. We have several other courses related to IT, pharma and non-IT domains in our YouTube channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and keep watching our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/c/SPJK Technosoft. Kindly register for this webinar in the link below. Also join our WhatsApp or Telegram link to get latest updates on free webinars and trending courses for bright career. Happy learning!